Your home has been sitting on the market for weeks, maybe even months. No offers, barely any showings, and you are starting to wonder what's going wrong. Don't panic. If your home isn't selling, there's a reason. And good news is you can fix it. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why your Mississauga home isn't selling and how to turn things around fast. And if you're looking for serious buyers and expert insights, visit my website www.mississaugapropertydeals.com. We help sellers connect with buyers who are ready to make a deal. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update on Mississauga real estate. First thing first, why isn't your home selling? Here are the top reasons. Reason number one, overpricing. Buyers today are smart and informed. If your price is too high, they will skip right past your listing. Reason number two, poor presentation. Messy rooms, bad lighting, or outdated decor can turn buyers off instantly. Reason number three, weak marketing. If your home isn't getting seen, it's not going to sell. A simple listing on MLS isn't enough anymore. Reason number four, market conditions. Sometimes external factors like interest rates or local inventory affect demand. But don't worry, let's talk about how to fix these problems and get your home sold. Price is everything. If your home isn't selling, ask yourself, is it priced correctly? Now, how to fix it? Compare your home with similar recent properties sold in your area. Be realistic. Buyers won't overpay in today's market. If needed, adjust the price quickly before it gets stale in the market. Your home has one chance to make a great first impression. If buyers aren't impressed, they will move on. Here's some quick fixes. Declutter and depersonalize. Make it feel move-in ready. Upgrade lighting. A bright home feels more inviting. Fresh paint. Neutral colors work the best. Boost curb appeal. A clean entryway makes a huge difference. Little changes like these can add thousands to your home's value and attract more buyers. Think about this. How are buyers finding your home? If your marketing is weak, it's no wonder you're not getting any offers. Exposure, professional photos. Listings with great photos get up to 180% more views. Video walkthrough tours and 3D walkthrough tours. Essential for today's digital buyers. Just like video like this. Social media and online ads. If your home isn't online, you're missing out on serious buyers. Sometimes it's not just about how many people see your home, it's about who sees it, finding the right buyer. Geo targeted marketing. Aim for buyers actually looking in your price range. Highlight the best features. Sell the lifestyle, not just your property. Consider incentives. Offering closing cost help or a home warranty can make a huge difference. And guess what? At Mississauga Property Deals, we connect sellers with serious buyers fast. Visit www.mississaugapropertydeals.com to get started today. Still struggling to sell? Drop a comment below with your biggest challenge, and I'll be happy to help you.